Tangsi Ampek Waterfall in South Solok, West Sumatra, Indonesia. Still virgin and natural. This waterfall can be an option for a weekend getaway. Being in the city of Padang Aro, the capital of South Solok Regency, is a blessing in itself. A beautiful area on the south side of West Sumatra which has a stunning landscape. Time seems to stop in this small town. The hills with wilderness and light fog and cool air are indeed interesting. The city is surrounded by rivers and valleys. The rivers are many, starting from a small upstream to a wider downstream. Most rivers originate at the foot of Mount Kerinci, which stands valiantly. So it is not surprising that it is dubbed the village of 1,000 rivers. Tangsi Ampek Waterfall presents a beautiful view. Given the nature around, it is still natural and original. This waterfall has a stable water flow and has a pool with sufficient water depth for visitors to swim there. To arrive at the tourist attraction, which is about 8 kilometers from the center of the South Solok capital, Padang Aro, visitors will pass through the Mitra Kerinci tea plantation area for 3 kilometers with a towering backdrop of Mount Kerinci. The expanse of tea plantations with cool air is able to relieve visitors' fatigue after driving through a long journey. It takes a tough vehicle to be able to climb with rocky roads. The best time to visit this waterfall is during the dry season, because the water discharge can suddenly rise and become a dangerous flood for visitors during the rainy season. But because it is in the mountainous area of Kerinci, small drizzle often falls even during the dry season. The flow of clear and cold water is truly a thing that can soothe the soul. The roar of the waterfall, the chirping of birds and the sound of forest animals add to the value of the existing beauty. God is indeed very beautiful and makes beauty free for humans. There are many waterfalls in South Solok. There are at least 5 waterfalls, both small and large. But the biggest one is Tangsi Ampek Waterfall, which consists of 2 levels. The first level has a height of 15 meters and the second level with a height of 10 meters, which is 5 meters from the first level waterfall. Even in 2009, according to records, there were 4 international kayak athletes from South Africa sliding kayaks from a height of 16 meters in order to participate in survey activities and fast-flow kayaking exhibitions in South Solok. South Solok, the area known as the heart of Minangkabau, does have its own charm. There are many cultural, touristic, and historical sites dotted in this land. There are also rivers with world-class quality that deserve to be chosen as the main tourist destinations.